Good morning, students. Welcome again to my digital class. I am going to teach you chapter 14 of EVS, and the topic is food from plants and animals. In this chapter, we will cover these topics: importance of food eaten in different regions, food from plants, food from animals, nutrients and balanced diet. We eat food when we are hungry. Food helps us to grow. It keeps us healthy. It gives us energy to work and play. We get food from plants and animals. Do you know? Major part of our food comes from plants. And all the vegetables that we eat are from plants. Rice, roti, dal and many other food items are obtained from plants. Meat, milk, egg and fish are obtained from animals. People in India eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Foods like vegetable, fruits, etc., which are obtained from plants, make up vegetarian food. Here you can see different types of vegetarian food, and in this picture you can see non-vegetarian food. Which type of food is known as non-vegetarian food? Foods such as meat, fish and eggs are known as non-vegetarian food. Food eaten in different regions. Rice, roti, dal and vegetables are the main food items of the people of North India. Wheat is grown in the northern part of our country. So, the people of this region take food items mainly prepared out of wheat. Here you can see North Indian food: rice, roti, dal. Rice is the main food crop of South and Northeast India. So, the people of these regions mainly take food items made out of rice. People in South India like rice. They prefer idli, dosa, etc., which are made out of rice. People of Northeast India eat dal, leafy vegetables, fish and meat along with rice. Tender bamboo shoots are used for cooking in this region. Litti and chokha you can see here, which are eaten by the people of Bihar. Sattu is a powdered form of different types of grams. After this, you can see here rice and fish. Rice and fish are traditional favorite foods of West Bengal. They also like sweet sandesh, pitha and rasgulla. Beetroot Plants as food, our next topic. We eat the roots of many plants as vegetables. The new shoots and the roots of asparagus are used for cooking. Carrot, radish, and beetroot are roots of the plants. Banana flower, potato and ginger, coriander leaves and tea. Now, food is also made out of flowers like certain herbs, plants, banana and drumstick flowers, which are used for cooking in different parts of our country. Potato and ginger are actually the stems of plants which grow under the ground. Here, coriander leaves and tea you can see. We eat the leaves of many plants like spinach, coriander, fenugreek and mustard. The dried leaves of tea plant are used to make tea. A cup of tea here. This looks very beautiful. And fruits. We also get fruits from plants, different types of fruit like mango, orange and apples. Seeds. Here different types of seeds are given. Rice, wheat, peas, coffee and oats are seed of plants. Green gram, beans, Bengal gram and peas are also the seeds of plants. Some people eat these seeds after sprouting them. Milk. Milk is commonly used all over the world. People mostly drink cow's milk, and milk is a wholesome food. It is good for young and old. In some parts of the world, goat milk is preferred to cow milk. It is very good for strong bones, and goat milk also has less fats. Nutrients and balanced diet. Food is made up of different substances called nutrients. Different nutrients have different roles. Proteins help in growth of the body. Fats and carbohydrates provide energy. Vitamins and minerals protect the body. Now, do you know what is the balanced diet? A diet which contains all essential nutrients in proper amount is called a balanced diet. We must also drink a lot of water. Balanced diet varies from people to people. Here in this picture, some food items of balanced diet are given from top to the bottom. First, fats, oil, sugar. Second, meat and alternatives, fruits and vegetables, and at last, rice and alternatives. So now take your assignment. List the main food of people living in the following places: Bihar, Jharkhand, Northeast India, South India, North India and West Bengal. Students, hope you understood this video nicely. So that's all for today. Good day everybody.